Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to create a multiples valuation model step by step so you can use it to make more informed investment decisions when looking to buy or sell stocks. So with that, let's get right into the video, and as always, if you enjoy what you're watching, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So the first thing you want to do is create 5 columns and label them ticker, company, stock price, EPS, and PE multiple. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some formulas under each one of these headings. The first one will be the company name. So we're going to use the function Google Finance, and we're going to reference the ticker column, which will have a symbol in it later on. And the attribute will be the name of the company. So if you just copy that formula there, that should be just enough. And we'll insert an if-NA function in there. Therefore, if there's an error, it'll just leave it blank. We'll take that same approach for stock price, EPS, and for the PE multiple, we'll create our own formula. So for stock price, we're going to create the exact same formula, except we're going to change the attribute to price. And for EPS, we're going to change the attribute to EPS. So the formula for the PE multiple is very simple. It's essentially the stock price divided by the EPS, and we'll leave it at that. And to make things a little bit nicer, we'll insert an if error function again. Therefore, if there's an error, it'll just return a blank field. So now if we perform a test run using Apple, we can see that it auto-populates the company name, stock price, and EPS, as well as the PE multiple. The same applies to Microsoft as well. So now what we'll do is we'll just take this entire formula and copy it down as many rows as you'd like. Now we can see here that once we enter a few ticker symbols, that these rows auto-populate, which means that the formulas work and we can proceed with the next steps. So what I'm going to do next is create 2 separate rows, one for average PE and the other for the median PE. And in each row, what I'm going to do is take the column that says PE multiple, and for the average one, I'll insert an average formula. And for the one that says median, we're going to insert a median formula using the same column with the PE multiples. So now we're going to create another few columns and label them ticker, company, valuation, and EPS. Under the company column, we'll create a similar formula like we did above. We'll reference it to ticker. And under EPS, we're going to add another formula like above and reference that one to the ticker as well. In the valuation column, we're going to take the EPS multiplied by the average PE of 37.99 to arrive at a valuation. So what we'll do now is input the stock ticker for Microsoft, and we can see that it generates Microsoft Corporation, gives us a valuation of 492.44, and it provides us with the EPS. Now the final thing that we'll do at the bottom is create a couple of rows and label one for current price and one for difference. In the current price one, we're going to enter the current price of the stock that we're looking to research. In this case, it's Microsoft. And for the difference, we're going to input a formula that tells us how far off the current price is from the valuation that we've generated on a percent basis. And lastly, we're going to insert a formula where the model tells us if this stock is a buy or a sell. We'll do this by inserting an if function, whereas if the difference falls below 0%, it'll give out a buy, and if the difference is greater than 0%, it'll give out a sell. So here we can see that the difference is minus 15.5%, indicating that the stock is currently undervalued, and therefore it may be considered a buy if we use this valuation model. So that is basically it, folks. If you want to have your own valuations model which you can use to perform a quick analysis over a stock, then this is the way to do it. But other than that, that concludes the video, and if you enjoyed, please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. As always, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.